In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Descript for Shorts. If you've been wanting a fast, clear workflow to turn your clips into scroll-stopping shorts, reels, or TikToks, this walkthrough will guide you from login to export with confidence. First, log in to Descript. Once you're on the homepage, start by creating a new project. Click the New Project button and decide whether you want a video project or an audio project. For Shorts, a video project is typically the right choice, but if you're cleaning up a voiceover or podcast snippet first, an audio project can work well too. After selecting the project type, upload your file. This can be a vertical clip you've already recorded, a screen recording, or even an audio track you plan to pair with visuals. You can always keep things organized by visiting the Projects tab to view all your work. When you're ready to edit, click into one of your projects to open the editing screen. On the right side panel, you'll see the AI tools designed for quick editing and polishing. This is a great place to speed up your process. Use Underlord to create highlight reels or generate custom visuals that fit your message. It's especially handy for identifying standout moments that work well in short-form content. Next, click on the Elements tab to add on-screen text, shapes, and media. Keep your text concise and easy to read on a phone screen. Consider adding your logo, brand colors, and a simple motion element to draw attention without clutter. If your content benefits from clarity or accessibility, click on Captions to add subtitles. Captions help viewers follow along even with the sound off, and consistent styling, fonts, colors, and placement keeps your branding on point. Design the look and feel according to your vision and brand identity. For Shorts, think vertical first with a clean composition, clear focal points, and minimal distractions. Also keep an eye on the length. Short-form platforms often perform best under 60 seconds, so trim to the essentials, keep transitions tight, and make sure your opening 5 seconds hook the viewer. When everything looks and sounds right, it's time to export. Choose settings that match your platform, vertical aspect ratio, a resolution that keeps text crisp, and a file size that uploads quickly without losing quality. Save your export and you're ready to publish. That's the complete flow. Log in, create, upload, edit with AI, add elements and captions, design with your brand in mind, watch your length, and export with the right settings for Shorts.